Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku camera. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Roku Home app. Add new device. Cameras. Choose your camera. Next. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter password. Scan QR code. After that, the camera will be connected to Wi-Fi and added to your Roku account. That's it. Now you know how to set up Roku camera. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.